Hi, everybody. I need you to make sure that you have something to write with and something to write on because you are about to take the pre-test for Unit 2. There are 12 words, so you can go ahead and number 1 through 12. And I'm going to read the words out loud and you write it down with the best spelling that you can do. Then when you're done, please take a picture of your spelling test and post it under the assignments for pre-test Unit 2. Okay, feel free to pause this video if you need more time to write, or you can rewind if you want to hear the word again. All right, number 1, discuss. We will discuss your pay grade. Discuss. Number 2, contest. The pig won the contest. Contest. Number 3, upset. She was upset that they broke up. Upset. Number 4, object. He was the object of her affection. Object. Number 5, sandwich. Go make me a sandwich, he yelled. Sandwich. Number 6, impact. The teacher would never know the impact that she had on them. Impact. Number 7, public. Don't make a scene in public. Public. Number 8, establish. He wanted to establish a bank account. Establish. Number 9, admit. She won't admit she lied. Admit. Number 10, fantastic. An A on your spelling test would be fantastic. Number 11, contact. The astronauts reached contact with the aliens. Contact. And number 12, expect. We don't know what to expect. Expect. All right, that's all the words. Please make sure you take a picture of the test, what you wrote down, and submit it to the Unit 2 pre-test assignment.